What's up, YouTube? What's the dealio? I'm back with another video. Why is you talking so low, girl? What in the world? You need a microphone. You weren't talking that low when you were being Jason Bates. Okay. Got a whole lot going on. You can't see for looking. What's all that? What's that? Okay. You got a little match going on. What's that? Lemon juice thing. Oh, that must be your bar. Okay. It's a pretty. I like the trees and stuff out there, but I can imagine lizards and geckos crawling like crazy. You can have that. You can have it. Too close to the trees for me. Yeah. Oh, and then that's nice. Beautiful. Oh, your cat. I read you made a statement telling me the cat jumped off the balcony. You ought to be shaming yourself. All the way shaming your damn self telling me the cat jumped off the balcony. What you do to that damn cat, girl? Adrian. Oh, beautiful. They cute. I like them. I like them. Got a little junk room. But everybody got one of them. Okay, cute. I just want to know why you talking so low. What in the world? Now, I know they done got in your comments and told you about speaking up or something. I mean, I got my damn TV on. It's high as it'll go. Well, it ain't high as it'll go. Okay. I like that. That's cute. Okay, that's them gay colors. Hold up. Let's rewind. She's showing that body, yaddy. Let's see what you look like. What you look like, girl. What you look like. Because you look like you're losing weight. Your face don't look as fat and full. So you look like you slimming down. I wish you would speak up, though. I really do. I wish to the Lord you would speak up. Yeah, look how she throw that in there. Yeah, you losing it. Trying to get cute. I ain't never cared nothing about them kind of beds that my cousin and my girlfriend had a bed where they had all that, what you call it? Stuff, that shit right there, yeah. Across the bed, the curtain. I ain't never cared nothing about that. I guess it make you feel like a princess, I guess. I wish you would speak up, Adrian.
Okay, so this is the Caribbean Grill. We're about to go in and get some Caribbean food. Okay, guys, I am gonna have the grouper, which is, where is it? I'm having the grouper, guys, right there. Stay tuned, y'all.
Oh, $20 plate. Okay. Got her a little Italian. Get it, Adrian.
Allow you to see your life in an easier way and a happier way.
What? Ain't a bit more understood what the hell you just said and shit.
Hey everyone! Hi everybody! Hello everyone!
And she probably didn't either. What happened? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
So we actually use a special line. It is wine based, but it's
That's
not
pretty.
any kind of like specific wine. Okay, guys, this looks very different. I don't see any fish. I'm hoping it's under there because yeah, grouper's under
That
here,
looks
guys.
straight nasty.
Potato salad, salad. What is this? Bread. That's bread.
All right, bread.
And what do you have there? Looks interesting. I have taho.
Look like you eat.
It's like
Look
a
like
cuban
baby
taho.
shit on noodles.
Looks delicious. What is taho? It's
Oh, that's
taho. It's
onions
made out of corn.
on a piece of
And it's
corn.
like written out of corn, and then they put together inside like meat or beans, things like that.
Okay, I seen that at the laundromat, but they put wrap them up in. Okay, yeah. Again, like I said, nasty. He looking like, what have I got myself into? Mm-hmm. We can't say you now, bruh. You gonna be ate your whole plate by the time she just get one mouthful.
Trying Cuban food tonight, guys. Cuban food it is tonight. That looks really good.
If he look to the camera, that mean he a little bit disturbed. Like, there you go, look into the camera. You gonna look again? I know you. Look. Ah, I told you. Ooh. You better. Ain't nothing in that drink. It's just as straight as I am right now. And you still ain't took a mouthful, and he almost finished. Girl, will you eat? What in the world? Ain't no way in the world.
Oh, dude. Okay, yeah, that's what it looked like. Hey. Looks good, guys.
I couldn't eat with you. Anybody take that long just to eat one mouthful of food? Something wrong. Ain't no way in the world I could eat with you. He finished. He like, damn. He tried to eat. He trying to eat slow as he can, and you still ain't ate nothing. We don't need to see it. Eat it. He looking at her like, what the fuck really going on? Y'all messing up my time.
I'm gonna say that. It's my first time trying Cuban food, and I really like it.
Okay.
They definitely understand spice or spicy.
Oh, he a little cross-eyed too. Look up one more time, bro.
Oh
Yeah, he a little cockeyed and ain't cross-eyed, cockeyed. Okay. We from the same family. Hate to rush it, but I know your breath gonna be kicking. And then you eating potato salad too. Boy, you gonna blow him out straight out the box when them farts unload. You know eggs and shit make you fart. Well, you ain't gonna be able to do nothing. Cause once they digest, they gonna start exploding. Burp, burp. What you think? What you think? Tell me, is he done? Hell, it took you a whole hour to start eating. Hell yeah, he finished. Gone. Complete. Yeah, he said gone. Good job. See, you mess up food too. Oh, you still eating. What you do? What you cut him out what you cut him out the video for? Just straight cut him out like that's it. That's it. It's all about me, dude. We see that one eye. She ain't really ate that. As much as I don't fast for it, she still got the same amount of food on each plate. And done cut him out even more. Whole face is out now.